Welcome back to Storytelling Gods. If there's one place that embodies the essence of wealth, power, and high stakes, it's Wall Street. It's the financial heartbeat of the world, a symbol of untold riches and ruthless competition. But what lurks beneath this gleaming image? Are there hidden stories and dark truths we're unaware of?
Zurich, 23, Citibank.
Each day, it moves $1.5 billion.
$350 Swiss.
Fortunes are made or lost.
It's not a question of minutes or even hours, it's second to second.
21.6.
SocGen, New York, dollar Paris in 22.
Today we're peeling back the shiny veneer of Wall Street to uncover the scandals, power plays, and unspoken rules of this infamous financial district. Buckle up, hit the subscribe button, and prepare for a revealing journey like no other. The birth of Wall Street. Let's start at the beginning. Wall Street wasn't always the bustling financial hub it is today. Its origins date back to the 18th century, when 24 brokers signed the Buttonwood Agreement, establishing the New York Stock Exchange. The street itself was named after an actual wall built by the Dutch to protect their colony from potential British and Native American attacks. From these humble beginnings, Wall Street has grown into a symbol of financial power and global capitalism. The Wall Street crash of 1929. Wall Street has had its share of highs and lows, but perhaps the most significant low was the Wall Street crash of 1929. This catastrophic stock market crash marked the beginning of the Great Depression, the worst economic downturn in the history of the industrialized world. But what led to this catastrophic event? Were there hidden factors at play that went unnoticed until it was too late? The dark side of Wall Street. It's a world where the insatiable quest for profit can, at times, overshadow ethics and integrity. From scandals and controversies to rampant greed, there is a side to Wall Street that often gets buried beneath its glossy exterior. One disturbing facet is the unethical practices and schemes that unfold behind the closed doors of powerful financial institutions. Insider trading, for instance, remains a critical issue despite stringent laws. This unethical practice involves trading based on confidential information, giving certain individuals an unfair advantage. The infamous case of Martha Stewart, who was convicted of insider trading, underscores the pervasiveness of such practices in the industry. Hedge funds, too, have often been criticized for their predatory practices. They employ aggressive strategies that can cause market instability, and their secretive nature makes it difficult for regulators to maintain oversight. The collapse of long-term capital management in 1998 serves as a stark reminder of the havoc that unchecked hedge funds can wreak on the financial system. Moreover, the financial crises, like the subprime mortgage meltdown of 2008, have exposed the reckless risk-taking and lack of oversight in Wall Street. Lax lending practices and opaque financial products led to a housing bubble and its subsequent burst, plunging the world into a deep economic recession. The dark side of Wall Street is not merely a historical issue. It is an ongoing challenge. It's a testament to the need for constant vigilance, ethical responsibility, and regulatory oversight to prevent the unchecked pursuit of profit from undermining the stability of the global financial system. The culture of Wall Street. If we look beyond the stock numbers, Wall Street has a distinctive culture. A culture characterized by high stress, long hours, and ruthless competition. This high-pressure environment can take a toll on individuals, leading to burnout, substance abuse, and mental health issues. Yet these problems often remain hidden, masked by the glamour and prestige associated with Wall Street. Wall Street's power and influence. Wall Street's influence extends beyond finance. It plays a significant role in shaping policy and politics, with Wall Street firms and individuals often contributing generously to political campaigns. But this influence raises questions. Does Wall Street have too much power? Is it in control of our economic destiny? And if so, what are the implications? The future of Wall Street. Wall Street, as we know it, is on the cusp of monumental change. Emerging technologies, evolving regulations, and shifting societal values are set to redefine the landscape of this financial powerhouse. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain technologies are challenging traditional financial systems, offering decentralization, transparency, and security. As these digital assets gain legitimacy, how will Wall Street adapt? Will it embrace the change, or will it resist, potentially risking obsolescence? The rise of fintech startups is another development. Offering innovative, customer-centric financial solutions, these companies are disrupting Wall Street's long-standing business models. They are democratizing finance, making it more accessible and transparent. The question remains, Will Wall Street collaborate or compete with these disruptors? Another key change is the growing focus on ESG investing: environmental, social, and governance. Investors are increasingly considering companies' ESG performance in their investment decisions. This shift reflects a deeper societal demand for ethical, sustainable finance. Wall Street will need to balance its pursuit of profit with these changing expectations. Lastly, regulatory changes, both domestic and international, will shape Wall Street's future. In the wake of financial crises, calls for increased oversight and transparency are growing. How Wall Street responds to these regulatory shifts will be crucial in defining its role in the 21st century financial landscape. The future of Wall Street is not just about finance, it's about societal values, technological advancements, and regulatory shifts. It's a future that demands adaptability, foresight, and ethical considerations. The secret clubs of Wall Street. Behind the scenes, there's a secretive world on Wall Street that's rarely talked about. It's a world of exclusive clubs and societies where the most influential people in finance come together. These clubs, like the Economic Club of New York or the Group of 30, offer a private platform for discussions, influencing financial policies and decisions. Membership to these clubs often signifies a powerful status within the industry. Yet what transpires behind their closed doors remains largely unknown, adding another layer to Wall Street's hidden narrative. Dark truths, financial manipulation. In the intricate web of Wall Street, financial manipulation is one of the darker truths that is often shrouded in complex jargon and elusive tactics. From manipulating market prices to disseminating false or misleading information about companies, these strategies are used by unscrupulous individuals to gain financial advantages. One infamous example was the Enron scandal, where financial fraud led to one of the biggest bankruptcies in history. This, among other cases, is a stark reminder of the hidden pitfalls that can lurk beneath the market's surface. Conclusion: from its humble beginnings to its current status as a global financial powerhouse, Wall Street is a complex tapestry of power, wealth, and controversy. Beneath the glittering surface lie dark secrets, scandalous practices, and hidden truths, often overshadowed by the allure of quick riches and unchecked power. Wall Street is an embodiment of our collective aspirations and fears about money and power. It's a place that entices with its promise of wealth, yet it's also a world fraught with hidden dangers and ethical dilemmas. It's a symbol of economic might, but it's also a reflection of the economic disparities that exist in our society. As we move forward, it's crucial that we continue to question, to probe, and to demand transparency. We must not forget the lessons from past mistakes, and we must hold those in power accountable. This has been a deep dive into the unmasked reality of Wall Street. For more revealing narratives, keep watching Storytelling Gods. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep seeking the truth. Another story down, so many more to go. See you next time on Storytelling Gods.